short video. If you're facing at this type of problem, okay, do not look at that number. Do not look at number. Just push this button and buzzer switch. Okay, buzzer switch is here. This one. Push it together. Okay, press it together. Sorry. Okay. Press together with buzzer. And then what will come out? Okay. See that number? You will see on that number one. Okay. Now that's active arrow. Then scroll up and down. Up and down. So this is the main reason of that warning. 97D. It is a common real pressure sensor. Or low pressure, sorry. Okay, so it is just a short video. I just wanted to share this type of